Okay, yeah, good day everyone. It's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to this YouTube video. Today in this video, we're gonna be talking about weekly backtesting data. So, as you all know, you all actually know how we do it normally, right? So, probably from your Monday to your Friday, you draw the vertical line on each daily candle, right? This is you're trying to backtest and understand the what weekly profile of the last week, and what are the things you note or look out for. Now you look at which day formed the high of the week, and as you can see, it was formed on Thursday, and Friday formed the low of the week. And believe me, when you see Thursday, Friday forming the high and low of the previous week, the next week an intended reversal is tends to happen. This from your backtesting data. This is from experience of putting the work together. You have seen, for me, example, I've seen once something like this happens, I know what I'm looking out for, I know what I'm anticipating for. Remember, you don't just do this thing just like that. There are so many other things to put in context, and this is what will actually teach you what the Saunders FX VIP group. So if you want to learn more about Forex trading or anything, do well to contact me. Also, we have free Telegram where I post and drop updates, right? So you can also do well to join our free Telegram groups and channel, okay? So all the links mentioned is current actually at the video description below. So let's proceed further. Now, expanding further, we saw that Thursday, Friday formed the high and low of the week. So probably Thursday slightly taking out Wednesday high of the week, okay? Slightly taking out this Thursday, slightly taking out Wednesday highs by a few pips. That is taking the stop loss. So overall, it was a strongly bearish week. Although it looks like it was consolidating on Euro USD, right? Then you can see Monday actually opened and pushed up, then dropped. Tuesday actually went lower. Then overall the price action on EU is not really that smooth, but if you go to GU, you see that it was actually better. Euro USD price action sometimes it looks messy on the higher time frame, but let's push to the lower time frame. So the question here now is, how would you actually take or have taken advantage, or trades possibly you have taken from all this, from looking at these charts? So that's how you that's what you probably ask yourself, what time did this actually happen? So this was around 8 p.m. This 7 before London opened. So price pushed higher, dropped, retraced, okay. So now this the probably London Open is not here, but now this is currently what the London section highs happened around 10. Then now price dropped lower. So on Monday, I don't really think I'll do that, take having opportunity to take in these sales. But now looking at the 1 hour time frame, also you will see that price actually went for these lows right here, right? So once price actually went for these lows, or was you see price low, okay, probably would have tried to taking buys from here, from this low, then targeting this fair value gap right here, which price actually was filled successfully. So let me show you guys, or you can actually even just wait, because now price have broken structure. This is a break of structure on the hourly time frame, right? And probably it's formed a displacement. So now it's left for you to capitalize on these displacements you actually see or have seen currently, right? So that is it. Now this is intraday anyway. It's not like you can see now, you probably one day you wouldn't have had any opportunity to take a trade, but now Tuesday offered there was retracement. So how would you have taken opportunity of this Tuesday? And believe me, this Tuesday's trade, I believe I saw it clearly, but the fact is I did not take the trade. So taking a short trade from this taking a short trade here, where will my stop loss be? My stop loss will just be at this highs here. You understand? Probably at the body or the week, but I just want to make it 20 pips. Currently it's 14 pips. Okay, 20 pips. I just want to use a 20 pips stop loss. Okay. So yeah, currently my stop loss would have been here on the Tuesday. That is if I want to take advantage of this trade. Then where will my take profit be? My TP1 should be at these lows that is retracing. So currently this is my CP1 here. This way will have taken profit, and this is a 40 pips trade. So Tuesday you made 40 pips, and when did this trade, how many hours did it take? It took like it ended before New York session around 2. Okay, so on Tuesday this would have been the opportunity you have got taken advantage of. So you saw markets broke down, breaking structure. Let me outline it. Sometimes I don't really have to outline all this. So there is a what is it called? There is let's say fast price move or anything. So price actually was drop rapidly, breaking structure lower on a higher time frame, on a 1 hour time frame. Believe me, as this analysis on the 1 hour, it's best you also go to the 15 minutes to see it more clearly. So you see that price was broke structure lower, creating a fair value gap. So you actually wait for price to return to the retraced. Okay. So believe me, even if price breaks and keep going higher, you will not like this is a 182 risk to reward. There's nothing bad. But now, just with this context of looking at the weekly profile or understanding how the days act or react, just with this small knowledge, you would have able to give yourself 40 pips, and you know how much that is, right? So you can also proceed in a week. You can get up to 2 to 3 trades, right? Depending on what you know. This is just off of MVG only. There's no much stress currently in this particular one. Now, also this type of stuff happens on the lower time frame also. So let's move to the 15 minutes time frame. This is actually in the 1 hour time frame. So you will tend not to see much trade setup, right? Because these are the higher time frame. Higher time frame takes longer times to happen. Okay, so you can see how the market was consolidating. Many people would have also taken profit here because trying to wait for this clear out of liquidity. Then also you can also take a total soup buy from here also on Tuesday, but it was late anyway. This is for people that want to take New York session. So as price wiped out these lows, let me show you guys. So as price actually wiped out these lows, so you'd have also decided to take a buy trade there because you have seen that market is consolidating. And where your take profits be around here, which happened on Wednesday. Then on Wednesday also price retraced higher to this level also, then also dropped. So you can see price action is very, very smooth. Then we took this trade on Friday. This sells on Friday. So I took these sales on Friday. Everything was dropped on the VIP group and normal group chat. We took these sales around 50 pips, and it actually was smashed take profit. This particular sell, this is off of an order block. Let me show you guys. So price really found it difficult to break this area. So we utilized that as an advantage. Although the market was moving back and forth, but yeah, that is it anyway. So let me zoom in and I'll show you guys how we actually took advantage of those trades. So this level here. So probably we are targeting Thursday's lows, right? We are targeting Thursday's lows. So this is how. So the trade took quite time because of news. So this news brought back the market up. Then overall later came back. So although I took profits at this first drop lower, let me show you guys. So the sales was taken from here, short position. So this was on Friday. It's only this Friday trades that I actually took. Okay, this was my initial take profit, but I took profits here because there was news, high impact news, and see what the high impact news did. The high impact news did what? Took the market up again. So sometimes you not want to see your trade, maybe you're in profits, then you now see because of news price came back up, you might be scared. You might think it's still going to take out this. My stop loss was around 20 pips also. That is slightly above these highs. So I took this trade on Friday. It was a solid trade of this, using this as a confluence, then using my, So this is it. So last week was very, very great. Okay, last week was great. So having this knowledge, although I'm not trying to go in depth here teaching, I'm just trying to show you guys how you can, maybe once you have the knowledge of backtesting proper and having what to look out for, having context, having the mindset that yes, every day there is a high and a low of the day forming. Okay, every day we'll have a high and low of the day forming. You can actually use that as an advantage. Probably not everybody view the markets this way, but yeah, that is it anyway. So if you want to learn more, do well to contact me on WhatsApp or on Telegram. Okay, so do well to also join our Telegram and like, subscribe, and share this on YouTube video. Bye bye guys.